OET now accepted for Ireland nursing jobs. Nurses who want to work in Ireland will now be able to take an English language test designed specifically for healthcare professionals. Nurses who want to work in Ireland will now be able to take an English language test designed specifically for healthcare professionals. The Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland, NMBI, has formally recognized it, the occupational English test, for overseas trained nurses and midwives who need to prove their level of English for registration in Ireland. NMBI will accept its scores from the 2nd of January 2018. Its CEO, Sujata Stead explains, it is more relevant to healthcare professionals because it uses real healthcare scenarios, making them more confident on test day. It also has the additional benefit of providing an insight into the language and communication skills healthcare professionals will need in their new workplace, thereby equipping candidates with the language skills for success at work. For example, a nurse's speaking skills will be assessed via a face-to-face role-play using a typical nursing scenario, with a trained interlocutor who plays the part of a patient or carer. In addition, the speaking and writing tests are different for each of the 12 healthcare professions we test, so the scenarios for nurses will be different to the scenarios for physiotherapists. It is run jointly by UK's Cambridge Assessment English, part of the University of Cambridge, and Australia's Box Hill Institute. Already recognized by authorities in the UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand, and Singapore, the well-established test is widely used in the registration of overseas trained healthcare professionals. Hardik Patel, a nurse from India who took it for registration in Australia, says he felt more confident taking a test which was more relevant to his profession. It gave him an opportunity to serve the community and start his career. Overseas trained nurses and midwives who are required to take an English language test to gain registration with the NMBI need to achieve at least a C+ in listening and reading, and at least a grade B in writing and speaking. Stead concludes regulators and employers can feel confident that healthcare professionals who have achieved the required level in it for their profession can communicate effectively in the healthcare workplace. The occupational English test is currently available every month in nearly 40 countries. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.